Hello students, welcome to Zero to Infinity classes. In the last class, we learned how to calculate the square root of a number by using what? Prime factorization method. And we have seen that when we are calculating the square root of very huge number, and then we are facing so much problem, and then we are taking so much time. It is what? Lengthy. Yeah, we can calculate the square root of by using prime factorization, but it is taking what so much time. So in that case, we can use what a different method, which is what long division method. So let us start our class by long division method. Long division method. Long division method. Okay. So let me start with a number. Suppose we have what 7,921. And we need to calculate the square root of 7,921. Okay, we can calculate easily by using what long division, prime factorization, but here we are going to use what long division method. Okay, so in long division method, first we have to make a rectangular box like this. Okay, and inside this box we are going to write what the number 7,921. Now we have to make a pair, okay? Pair like this, but we have to keep in mind we must make the pair from what? From the end of the number. That means like this. The pair will be started from the end of the number like this. 21 is a pair and 79 is a pair. Okay? So now I'm writing what square of all the number from 1 to 10. Okay. So 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, then 9 square, then 10 square. And one thing is that we have to memorize the square from 1 to 10. Okay, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, then 7 square 49, then 8 square 64, then 9 square 81, and 10 square is what 100. Now we have to see what 79. We have to find out the 79. Okay. Okay. So 79 is between 64 and 81. Is it, my dear student? 79 lies between 64 and 81. Okay, that means we will take what 8 square 64. Okay, so here we are writing what 8 8. 8 8 just 64. Now subtract 64 from 79. So in that case, we will be getting what 5. This will be 1, 15. Now we have to take what 21. So I'm writing what 21. Yes, perfect. And the next line, in the next step, what we are going to do, we have to add 8 with 8. So 8 plus 8, which is what? 16, which is 16. So I'm writing 16 here. And then the next step is what? We have to write 16. Then we have to give a blank here. Then also blank. And we have to find a number. Okay. We have to find a number. And that number should be same. Yes. That number should be same. That means in this box and in this box we have to take a number, same number, in such a way so that we will get what 1521. Okay, 1521. That means We need what? 1521. And here we have to take what? Same number. So here we can see the last digit is what? 1. And we know that 1 square is 1 and 9 square is what? 81. That means either here we can either it will be 1 or it will be what? 9. So if we take 1, then 161 into 1 will be 161. But if we take 9, then see what will happen. 9 9 is 81, 18 hand, 9 6 is 54, 54 and 8, 62, 2, 6 in hand, 9 1 is 9, and 6 in hand, that means 15. So perfectly we are getting what? 1521. So here will be writing what? 9. Here also it will be 9. So 1521 and nothing is left. So that means the square root of 7921 will be what? 89. Okay. So in this way we can calculate the square root of any number by using what? Long division method. Okay, I'm going to solve another question. Let me take another example. Two number. So in question number 2, I am taking what? 3136. Again, the rule is same. We have to make a box, rectangular box like this. Then I will be writing the number, which is 3136. Then again, we have to make a pair. This is a pair and this is another pair. Now we have to find a number. Okay, we have to search 31. Okay, so let me see. 31 lies between 25 and 36. Okay, 31 lies between 25 and 36. That means 5 5 ja 25. So here we will be writing what? 5 5 ja 25. And 31 minus 25 is what? 6. Then we will take 36 here, which is 636. Now again the next step is what? We have to what? 5 with 5. We have to add this 5. So 5 plus 5 is what? 10. So we are writing 10. And third step is what? We have to write 10. Then there will be a blank. There will be a blank. Then we have to take same number. Okay. Again, I'm repeating here. We have to take what? Same number in such a way so that we will get what? 636. Okay. And since the last digit is what? 6. In 636, last digit is what? 6. And we know that square of 4 square is 16 and 6 square is what? 36. That means it could be 4 or it could be what? 6. So first check with 4. First we are checking with 4. 4 4 is 16. 4 0 is 0 and 1 and 4 1 is 4. So we are not getting 636. By using 4, we are not getting what? 636. So let me check again with 6. 6, 6. 6 6 is 36, 3 in hand, 6 0 is 0 and 3 3, 6 1 is 6. So we are getting what? 636. After taking 6, we are getting 636. But when we are taking 4, we are not getting 636. We are getting what? 416. So 6 will be our answer. Here we'll be writing 6, 6 and 106. 6 just 636 and nothing is left. So that means the square root of 3136 will be what? 56. Okay. So this is the way how we are calculating the square root of any number by using long division method. Now in question number 3, I'll be taking another number which is what? 5-digit number. Okay. 5-digit number. Okay. Suppose I am taking what? 1, 5, 8, 7, 6. So we have to calculate the square root of 15,876. So I'm writing what? Box, which is inside the box, I have to write what? This number. Then we have to make pair. Okay. So 76 is a pair. Then 58 is also a pair. Then this one will remain what? Single. Okay. And the first step is what? We have to search one, and we know that this one square is one, but two square is what? Four. So we can't take four because it is greater than one. So we have to take what? One. So one ja, one. Nothing is left. Okay. Then this 50 it will come here. So we are adding what? 58. Then again, second step is what? We already learned. Second step is what? We have to add one with one. So 1 plus 1, we know that 1 plus 1 is what? 2. So we are adding what? 2. Okay, fine, perfect. So I'm writing 2 here, then blank, then again blank, then again we have to take same number here in such a way so that either we will be getting what? 58, or it can be less than 58. But we have to keep in mind that whatever number we are going to take in this blank, that should not be, after multiplying, that should not be greater than 58. So first check with 1. So if you're taking 1, so 21 ones are 21. If you're taking what? 2, so 22 2s are 44. But if you're taking 3, 23 3s are 69, which is what? More than 58. So we can't, in that case, we can't take 23. Our answer will be what? This one, 22. So here we'll be writing what? 2. Here also 2. Then 22 2s are 44. Again, we have to subtract. So 8 minus 4, 4. 5 minus 4, 1. Then we have to take what? This 76. Okay. In the next step, what we are going to do? We have to add 22 with this 2. So if we add 22 plus 2, that will be what? 24. So here I'm writing what? 24. Okay. 24. So now again 24, I'm writing 24, then here will be a blank, here will be a blank, and we have to take a same number in such a way so that we will be getting what? 1476. And since the last digit is what? 6, and we know that 4 square is 16 and 6 square is what? 36. So that means it could be 4, or it could be what? 6. So first check with 4. 4 4 just 16, 1 in hand. 4 4 just 16 and 1, 17, 1 in hand. 4 2 just 8 and 1, 9. So we are not getting 1476. So again, we have to check with 4. We have to check with what? 6. So let me check with 6. 2, 4. Here I'm writing 6. 6. 6 into 36, 3 in hand, 6 4 is 24, and 3, 27, 2 in hand, 6 2 is 12, and 2, 14. So after taking 6, we are exactly getting what? 1476. So here we have to take 6, here we have to also take 6, and 246 is 1476. So that means the square root of 15876 will be 126. Perfect. I hope you're understanding, my students. So this is the way, no matter either it is 5 digit or 6 digit or 7 digit, we can easily calculate the square root by using this long division method. Okay. Next, in question number 4, I'll be taking what? 6-digit number. Okay. First, we have seen what? 4-digit number. We have done two example with 4-digit number. Then question number 3, we have done with 5-digit number. And in question number 4, we are going to solve what? 6-digit number. So let me take 6-digit number. Okay. So I'm taking what? 210681. Okay. 2,10,681. We have to calculate the square root of 2,10,681. Okay. So process is same. First we have to write 210681 within a box. Then we have to make a pair. This is also a pair and this is also a pair. And then we have to search 21. We have to see 21 lies between what? We can clearly see 21 lies between what? 4 square and 5 square. 4 square 16 and 5 square 25. Within this 21 lies, right? So in that case, we will be taking what? 4 square. So 4, 4 just 16, 5, 5 just 21, which is more. We are not going to use the number which is greater than 21. So in that case, we will be taking what? 4 square, which is what? 16. So 4, 4 just 16. And after subtracting 16 from 21, it will be what? 5. Then we have to take what? This two pair, this pair. So that means 0, 6. Okay, 0, 6. Now, in the next step, we have to add what? 4 with 4. So if you're adding 4 with 4, very simple. We already know 4 plus 4 is what? 8. And so we are taking what? 8. Now the rule is again same. We have to write 8 like this here, then blank, and then we have to take same number in such a way so that what after multiplying, whatever product we are getting, that should be less than what? 506. It can be equal to 506, but it should not be greater than 506. We have to keep in mind it should not be greater than 506. Okay. So we know that what 8 6 is 48. So obviously, if you're taking 6, it could be like 480. Okay. So first check with 6. 6 6 is 36. 3 in hand. 6 8 is 48. And 3 51. 6 is 36. 3 in hand. 6 8 is 48. And 3 51. Which is what? More than 506. More than 506. That means we can we will not take 6 in that case. So in that case, we will take what? 5. Okay. So let me write 8. Again, blank, blank. We will be taking what? 5. So 5 5 the 25. 2 in hand. 5 8 is 40 and 2 42. Okay. So if you're taking 6, it is more than 506. And if you're taking 5, it is what? 425. So here we'll be taking what? 5, 5, 85, 5 is 425. Now 6 5 is 1. 6 minus 5, 1, sorry. Then 10 minus 2, which is what? 8. And this 4 minus 4 is what? 0. And in the next step, we will be taking what? This pair, which is again 81. Yes, perfect, 81. And again, we have to add what? 85 with this 5. Next step is what? We have to add 85 with 5, which is what? 90. Okay, 85 plus 5 is what? 90. So here we have to write what? 90. Okay. So again, we have to write 90 like this, then blank, and we have to take a number in such a way so that after multiplying, whatever product we'll be getting, that should be equal to 8181. That should be equal to this number 8181, or it can be less than 8181. But we have to keep in mind it should not be greater than 8181. So since the last digit is what? 1. Last digit is 1. In 8181, the last digit is what? 1, right? And we know that 1 square is 1 and 9 square is what? 81. So that means here we can take 1 or we can take what? 9. But we can easily see that if you're multiplying any number with 1, obviously we'll be getting the same number. So if you're multiplying 901 by 1, so we'll be getting what? 901. So in that case, we're not getting 8181. Okay, so 1 is rejected. So let me take 9. So 9 9 is 81, 8 in hand, 9 0 is 0, and 8 8, and in 9 9 is 81. So here I'm taking what? 9. Here also 9 and 8 1 8 1. Okay, perfect. So that means the square root of 210681 is what? 459. So that is what? Long division method. So by using long division method, we can calculate the square root of a number which is what? Very big, which is what? Very huge number. We can calculate by using prime factorization method as well, but the problem is what? Prime factorization method is what? Taking so much time. So I hope you understand long division method. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.